Hunter, hello?
Hello?
Hello? Guys, I found Hunter. He's in the internet. I don't know how we get him out of here. So, I know that you are an artist, but I want to know a little bit more about you before we get into all of the fun stuff. So, where did your passion from art come from? Where did your desire for, pursuing NFTs and all that kind of stuff?
Well, it probably started in kindergarten when I had a rivalry with another girl. There was a coloring book contest, and the winner got a Tamagotchi, and I won,
Dude,
and it was great. And she started crying, and I think from that moment on, I knew that art was right for me.
what was your first impressions of me? I know this is like a personal thing, but like I'm curious what you thought because you were one of, you were like one of my OG listeners.
I think I saw you streaming Top Shot when you probably only had like 20 viewers. And I was like, wow, this guy actually cares about Top Shot enough to stream it all day long. Because at that point, I was just living and breathing Top Shot. I couldn't get enough. And since you were providing content all day long, I was like, yo, this dude's cool. Like, I need to hop in his Discord.
Awesome. So how did you come into the space of like this NFT realm? Because I know that you've done stuff with like collective.gg. What was your first introduction? Was it Top Shot or something else? Also, I love your hat, by the way.
So yeah, I have a wild story about how I got into Top Shot and kind of the NFT space in general. I was in another Discord. Shout out to Mike McClure. There was a guy in there. It was probably like midnight one night, and he said, "If anyone wants to tail this tennis parlay," and so I put like $60 on it. Did a little round robin, and I made probably like $1,000 overnight off tennis, which I didn't watch 1 minute of. And then I took maybe $750 of that and put it into Top Shot and probably bought maybe 40 to 50 packs in like mid-January. And then just being in Top Shot, hearing about other stuff that's going on with art, because I'm a graphic designer, and I was like, oh wow, these people are making a killing off their art. And so I wanted to get into it, maybe not mainly because of the money, but just because, like, wow, this is great. Like, artists are getting control of their work now.
Can we go into a little bit about like how to create an NFT?
It's pretty easy. Basically, you can go to OpenSea.io. You can actually mint for free, but the person buying your NFT is going to be paying that gas fee, I believe. Or you can go to Rarible, which is another one. Or see, yeah, there's a button up here, create. You can do like a single here.
Oh, so it's literally like you can just put whatever. Because, yeah, I guess that's something that I'm not really like familiar with. Because we're just saying like an NFT is an individual thing. You can literally make it a GIF, a PNG, MP4, MP3, and just be like, it's an NFT. Give me money.
Oh, here we go.
Is that literally it? Like, it's that simple. It's just you create something and then throw it up there and then say, I thought it was some kind of like genuinely complex process that you would like need a tutorial on how to do. But that looks like something that I could just take the paint drawings of Keith's Flabber Cake or whatever and throw it up there and say that it's an NFT.
It's pretty much just uploading a file. So yeah, super simple. But I will say, like, it's really tough to sell unless you have an audience.
So yeah, how does it work in becoming found? Because if we can jump into this, and feel free to talk as long as you want to, but for like collective.gg, do you want to bring that up on the screen and just kind of talk about that project that you're associated with?
I think I saw something on Twitter and it was saying to apply to be featured in here. They already had like maybe 10 to 15 artists that were picked to be in this drop.
So for the collective drop, can you explain like what it is? Is it just like a piece of art that you get?
Basically, everyone's going to have their own card in here. There's going to be 150 of each for each artist. And then they have like gold cards, different little inserts, that are going to be less attainable for those who buy like 10 packs or more, I think. Each pack has 3 cards in it, and they're going to be able to sell those, trade them afterwards. And I think if you collect all 150, you get special rewards. So,
And do you know if there's anything like more to come with collective, or is it going to be kind of like a one-time drop and that's it, or is it going to be like series or set similar to Top Shot?
so I think they're going to see how this goes, but they're launching their own site and marketplace, so you're going to be able to buy and trade on this platform. I think they have future plans. They just want to see how this goes. So yeah, I'm excited.
And then for you, because we talked before, and you said regarding like some of the animations for an NFT, and if you have any work that you actually want to bring up right now, because you did show me before, or one that you were selling where it was kind of like a layered thing in a way, but you said that you don't do the animations personally. You'll design the thing, but then you send it off to an animator. So how much of this stuff is like a collaborative effort versus just kind of a single person doing it all?
So I've been doing the drawings, and I have a really good friend of mine, Abraham Mast, um, who's been helping me with some of these animations. Yeah, here's one that I will be giving away right now or on stream.
Yo, W's, guys, you want one of the pieces from the man. Yo, can you pause it? Can you pause it when it does that flash? That looks sick. Oh my god. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my god, that happened so quick. That's actually really sick. And so for you, like, obviously you're super high on NFTs, and basically this entire show is that a lot of people do talk about the fact that maybe it's a bubble, and we've seen that, like, Beeple's one went for, like, whatever X amount of $1 million, and for certain ones, like, obviously it's kind of like an anomaly, I don't even know how to say that word, but do you think that NFTs are kind of a bubble, or are you like, hell yeah, these are going to be, like, completely transformative?
I think we're going to see a lot of artists get weeded out. The ones that are able to like establish a community are going to be fine. But yeah, there's probably going to be some rough days. But yeah, I mean the technology I think is here to stay. It's not just art. Like NFTs are going to be all kinds of digital media. Like you could be buying like a JPEG in the future to use on your socials for like a couple bucks or whatnot. You could be buying albums that are NFTs, you know?
So, like, if somebody's wanting to find and or support you, do you have anything out right now? Or are you working on stuff? Like, how do people find out about you?
Yeah, I would just say follow me on Twitter to get some updates about what I'm posting. I do have one piece that's on sale right now, 0.19 ETH.
0.19. Oh my god, that's cheap.
So I'm
cheap
not,
for Hunter.
that might be like 380, maybe $400 or something like that.
All right, I'm gonna close the call for right now. We'll chat with
Sounds good.
the chat for a little bit, and then we'll reconnect with you guys in a bit. Again, thank you so much. All right, killing it as always, guys. We have another guest we got lined up coming on